Good morning, Brian with Grand Roofing. We're out doing a quick roof inspection, getting ready to figure for an estimate on this house. Some of you might recognize this from last week. I did a couple of quick shorts on it, but it was snow covered. I really couldn't do what I needed to. It's not far from where I am today, so we're back looking at it. Now that most of the snow has gotten blown off, melted off for the weekend, cold again today, we can see this and that there is a dead pocket. So I want to get your guys' opinion on what you would do right through this area if you were figuring a roof estimate. When we switch the camera around, we'll get into it. We'll make this quick because my hands are cold. So the spot that I'm on, it's a torch down, low slope section. It's about a 1.912. I put a pitch gauge on it. The rest of the roof is shingle, one layer, 3-tab asphalt shingle. It's 812 pitch. In here though, we have roughly 3.5 feet of just a dead pocket. There's no slope to this. I'm hoping whoever did this flat has this modified torch down stuff in here. But my thought is, and what I want to your guys' opinion, there's plenty enough slope, no bigger than this is, to go up a few feet and get like a 412, 612 slope in here. Whatever, you got to do the math. You got to see the distance you have here and run a board up to make sure you get your clearance, your slope to run out and actually have these two valleys change angles and slope down to the point here. Same here, come down a certain point and slope out to here, giving a little pizza pie shaped wedge in here for the water to not drop dead in here and freeze and possibly work its way back up under nails. Even if you have a membrane under here, the issue you get in the wintertime is this freezes or melts, gets down here and freezes again, and then it backs up and it's just a block of ice. Could work up under shingles. Like I said, I don't even know what they have under there right now. It's a block of ice in that little crack of shingles. So what I would do is figure, you're talking a sheet of wood, not much, a couple 2x6s to get this framed in and deck over. That's what I'm going to do. But if you guys have any other opinions and thoughts, aside of put rubber or torch down modified into there, let me know. I'm kind of curious to get your guys' thoughts. Also, switch to me real quick. Let me know how well this mic does. It is cold. There's little bits of breeze that kick up, and there's actually a dead cat on there. It's wireless. It is transmitting to my phone, so I'm hoping the audio, all that noise and the background noise, the sirens and barking dogs. Yeah, there's a nice breeze. Do you hear it? I don't know. Hopefully not. That's the whole point of it. I'm going to actually disconnect this real quick because I really want you guys' opinion and feedback on this. I've heard audio not being good can really make the people's retention just, oh, it's horrible, horrible noise. Let's disconnect it, see if you can hear a difference. All right. So it is this little wireless, I think it's Bluetooth USB-C to my phone or any other device. I bought it so I could capture the audio on the new drone. And every now and then the wind or my phone, my hands holding the phone over the microphone, it's not very good desirable sound. Plus, like I said, the dogs. There'd be days I'm shooting a video and constant dog barking. I'm like, damn it, I gotta go back through and redo it. So we'll see if the audio cuts back in with this here. Oh, do you hear it blowing around the microphone on the phone? Or my hand even handling the phone, plugging it back in. It might take a quick second to actually connect, but the audio should be back now, should be picking up in here. It's got noise canceling as well as this dead cat, which is fuzzy hair-like to keep the wind down. Ooh, I'm cold. Anyway, let me know. Is it worth it? Is it a good upgrade? It was actually very affordable. I think I paid like 25 bucks for this one on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Got another one. It's a 2-channel, so I can like do a podcast. My hope with that one is when I get the Humvee ready to go this year, if any of these veterans want to tell or share a little story of their time in the service, and they can clip one on, I can have one on, have the drone going by. Anyway, let me know what your guys' thoughts are with it. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you on the next video.